Hi friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I was preparing cinnamon rolls. I thought why not I should share with you all as well. Okay, for this I took 3 cups of all purpose flour and then to it I added half cup of granulated sugar, then 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them together, then added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 cup of melted butter and 1 cup of milk, and then 1 sachet of yeast. I mix them together. I also added 2 teaspoon of vanilla essence and cracked in 1 egg, and then started to mix them together and kneaded it into a nice dough. And I let the dough rest in over around, I think, 1 hour, and if you can rest it around 2 hours, that's nice. I covered it with a cling wrap. After that I just took 2 portions of that dough and then flattened it well with a rolling pin, and then brushed butter over it and generously sprinkled mixture of cinnamon powder and granulated sugar. Once done, I started rolling it from one side and till the end, and after that I cut it into small pieces, like you can see how I'm doing it, and in a baking dish. So this is how I cut already into pieces and arrange those pieces in the baking dish, leaving enough room between these pieces. And once done, bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can add cream cheese and melted butter and pour it over it. We prefer this way. So here it is.